Another way of narrowing your search is selecting advanced search here. So we can use the Google Advanced Search to make our searches efficient. I can do a search on a specific language here on this option. So let's select, for example, English. And for example, if it is an article I'm looking for, most of the articles are on a PDF format. So I type in the search words, let's say ITQ, and select the language, we've selected already, and the format. Here, file type, we want PDF, Punch Advanced Search, and all the returned pages will be PDFs. They're all PDFs, as you can see. Let's click on PDF, and here it is. It's a PDF. Now, if it is, for example, language games I'm looking for, let's delete the ITQ, and I want exactly this wording of phrase, I would type in language games. Let's look already here, language games, and I select a SWF type file. So it's a shockwave flash. So most of the games are created on Flash. So it's a Flash format, and because I have entered the search words on the specific wording or phrase box, it'll specifically look for that phrase. So let's punch Advanced Search. So you see all the Flash files that turn up have language games in within the file. I can also look for language or games separately, and if we use this option, let's go back, if we use this option, one or more of these words, we've got the choice that will return things with language and games. This option will return the great number of pages. This one here, any of these unwanted words, works exactly like as the minus tool. So it's to exclude information. If I wanted websites on language but not games, I would have to write here games. Of course, I would have to write here language. Okay, so I want language, websites on language, but I don't want games. I can also look for within a site or domain. So if I want to look for language games on YouTube or whatever site I want, or domain like Edu, I would type here my search words and punch Advanced Search. If we click on this plus, we have also other options. For example, the date. So if, for example, the article we've used just a few minutes ago, the ITQ article, and then it's a PDF format, if I choose to see something produced, I know it was produced recently, for example, past month, I would select here past month and punch Advanced Search, and all the PDF articles would be returned would be recent articles, 2008, 8 November 2008, for example. Okay, going back. I can also make it look for a specific part of the text in the title or URL, for example. So here, this selection where your keywords show up, and I would select if I want it in the title or the text or URL or links in that page I'm looking for. And also here in the page specific tools, I can paste in a URL, let's say the teachenglish.org.uk, and it will return similar sites to this one. Let's see, press search, and we've got, for example, the One Stop English, the BBC Learning, Learn English, I mean. So it's it will return similar sites. And also here, if I want to find links, the links that this specific page have or has, I punch in as well search, and these are the links that the teachenglish.org.uk contain.